what is up, what is going on. I am at Hobby Lobby right now. I just pulled in the parking lot, and that is because, so if you guys have ever heard of acrylic drip painting, that's what I'm going to be doing today. So downstairs in like where my room is, we have a middle section between mine and my stepsister's room, and we just got a couch, and I looked at the wall and I thought we need something on that wall. So why not make a video and create a piece of art? So I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna buy a canvas, hopefully, probably like a medium-sized one, and I'm also gonna buy some paint. I'm thinking for the color scheme because we're thinking about doing blush accents in there. I was thinking about getting a like black, grayish, silver type of color, gold, and maybe a little bit of pink. So I'm really excited to see how this turns out, but let's see what we can find in Hobby Lobby. I didn't grab a basket. I don't really know why, but I'm stocking up. Here we go. The trip was a success. Hobby Lobby came through today, even had some deals. So I'm having a good feeling to the start of this. Now I'm heading home and we're gonna start the project. I understand the vision. Here's the new couch. I have some of my stuff on it, but it has blue pillows. These just came with it, doesn't matter. So I'm thinking about putting the painting either here or here. I picked up this nice 16 by 20 frame for, yeah, that's right, $5.99. I'm gonna get some stuff set up and I'll show you guys. I've been reviewing a couple types of acrylic drip methods and how you could do it properly, but I personally like to freehand, and I think that it's going to turn out pretty good. So I'm going to show you guys the process that I do, and I'm going to insert a picture right here of what I saw from Pinterest about the different ways you could do it. I'm really excited. Let's see how this turns out. guys for watching this video. I had a great time making this piece of beautiful art that goes in anybody's home. And just keep in mind, you can use any color to be as creative as you would like. But if you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. If you'd like to see me more, subscribe, hit that bell, do whatever you gotta do. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Gigi Graziano. Ciao.